Hello friends, welcome back to another video. This is Amma Black Rose. Welcome, and I appreciate you for joining me. Today I am going to review a product from Black Radiance. If you are trying to start applying makeup and you don't know what to do, it's beginner friendly. Also, if you're an expert, you can try this product. It's a very new thing that is out from Black Radiance, product that is out from Black Radiance, and for contouring. Alright, and it says it's True Complexion Contour Palette. First of all, I love this packaging of the product. Very simple. This is the front, and the back explains a little bit more in depth about the product. Alright, and the purpose of it. Inside of it is how it shows you the stages of how to apply this product, the contouring. So it starts with contouring, sculpting, and highlight. This is how the packaging looks like. Alright, and it has this plastic on top of it that covers the product. Really easy, nice, and very brilliant packaging. I love the packaging. Alright, so I'm gonna go ahead and read what it says at the back. Alright, so the purpose of this Black Radiance True Complexion Contour Palette. Whether you are learning to master basic contouring or advancing your expert skills, the Black Radiance True Complexion Contour Palette offers the perfect powder trio to create stunning definition, sculpt, shape, and define with these blendable, buildable powder that will leave you with chiseled supermodel features. It's made for dark to deep, so of course it will go with my complexion, and I can't wait to try it on for you to see. Again, you're all supermodels, so I'm guessing it's gonna, you know, add a little bit more chisel look. This is to apply Black Radiance to complexion. You just follow the guide diagram, so that is why they have this description up for you, you know, for us to try. I'm just using a cleanser, makeup remover, and a cleanser to, you know, wipe out my face. A face moisturizer, something that will protect your face first. I'll apply a primer. I just applied my foundation. I'm gonna do my eyebrow, and then we'll start with the contouring. Hi, so we're gonna be starting with the product. Okay, so I remove the case, and make sure you have a mirror. The product is powderish, if you want to know. It's a powder product, so lightweight and easy to use. You're gonna do the hairline, as you can see here. So the hairline, side of nose, along the cheek, and jawline. That's the first one. Right, so I'm gonna start. So I have my mirror here that I'm using. And can you see how the product blend? Really, I can't wait for you to see how it turns out. Now once you do this, remember your face shape and do it accordingly. Right, so can you see? I'll add a little bit more. Right. It's just gonna be a little like that. Now the next one is the sculpt. So to sculpt it, so this one, sculpt is 1, 2, 3. It shows you right there. 1, 2, 3. All right, and then right there. I'm gonna blend everything in first before I add the highlight, because I think that's the best thing to do. So I'll start with the forehead. contouring right there. You see it? The last is the highlight, and the highlight goes to the forehead, the face, nose, chin, and right there. And I'm gonna blend it all in with this. Remember, when you're blending in, make sure you're blending in, like sculpting it. A little bit of highlights by my eyebrow in case it will pop a little bit. This is the slick contour that I practice with, so this is how it looks after I have applied. Of course, it's powderish, so you get a lot of most of the product, you know, flying everywhere, but I like the packaging. I just wish, well, it's powder, so it will fly everywhere. Again, instructions are very basic, easy to follow, but with your face shape, you have to figure out how you want it to look like. You want it to, you know, form up, so when you smile, you can see the highlights and everything going on in definition. I mean, for the contouring, I just wish it wasn't as powderish, because I feel like it's lost. I don't see contouring that much. Maybe I should add a little bit more right there. Does it make a difference? Make sure everything blends nicely. Yeah, so yeah, this is it. This is the product, and again, it is True Complexion Contour Palette from Black Radiance. Is my face chiseled enough? Do I look like a supermodel? Let me know. I know naturally I'm a supermodel, just like you all. You're all supermodels, gorgeousness and gorgeous, so don't worry. I feel like, I mean, you could see a little bit of a difference. I feel like the contouring was a cream will be better than a powder, but that's just me. Let me know what you think. Will you try this new product in your various type of complexion? Have you ever tried it? Let me know what you think about this video. Again, I'm gonna take this off for you to see the whole look. Right, let me apply on a little bit of lipstick. It's lipstick from Jordana. Okay, yeah, so let me know what you think. I will probably try another, you know, I have the slick, but I'll find another product that has, you know, more depth of the contour and everything to try it to see the difference. But let me know what you think. For me, I think it's okay, you know. If you want something lightweight, again, it's beginner friendly, so you are able to practice and sculpt your face without, you know, overdoing it. This works well. If you're an expert, I think you probably will prefer something else, or you probably will know how to, you know, blend in with other creamy products. So yeah, let me know what you think, and don't forget to leave a comment, share, stay blessed, enjoy your weekend. Bye bye now.